Sanibonani football lovers, welcome to Sportibong zigama lombongo Nkosi. Ngithembe ukuthi ni kahle niyaphila emakhaya. Ngaphambi kokuthi ngiqale, please don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. If so subscribe, please don't forget to like. Mawungaka subscribe, ulendeni ungasubscribe. Ngabonga kakhulu futhi ngawenza umunye umehluko omkhulu futhi. Danko. Asivele sihlala udaweni. Knowing Kaizer Chiefs that they did release Upuso Tejane because of a behavior. The reason it was because beyangafuna ukuba ball boy and logo vela kamselane ne conduct of Kaizer Chiefs, because if bakutshela ukuthi yenza umsebenzi mele wenze regardless ukuthi wena uyi-star or awusi-star, but for a player like Upuso Tejane did work on his favor, because if he wasn't released by Kaizer Chiefs, TS Galaxy bengeke ithole opportunity yokuthi imsign that compensation fee of 1.5 million rand. Look at him now, he's making waves, and abantu sebayakhala manje bamfuna back eNaturena, of which I think it is inevitable ukuthi angabuyela eNaturena, but angeke kube lula kanjalo. We want him to come back to eNaturena, but angeke nje izinto manje zibe simple ngaleyo ndlela. We know very well ukuthi kumele negotiate indaba zama price tag and make sure ukuthi they are on the same wavelength with the agent of Upuso Tejane, and naye ngokuzwa kwami kuthiwa he's keen on coming back to Naturena, but it is a 50% chance ukuthi angabuyela eNaturena, especially from the side of Kaizer Chiefs, knowing very well ukuthi kukodwa nje okungamendleleni yayo Kaizer Chiefs. It can be ukuthi indaba yokuthi are they willing ukuthi bambuyise eNaturena, because so far as we see him, he's a good player, and good players obviously we know very well ukuthi Kaizer Chiefs has this thing ukuthi ama players mawenza kahle labo yakhona mawafika kubo awenze kahle. And looking at the current situation of Kaizer Chiefs, the way team ngakhona, we are still trying to find stability in our team. The team looks solid with the current crop of players, but Upuso Tejane is one player that I can say he is a good player and he can be able to help Kaizer Chiefs. But one thing I know for a fact, as our fans, we are only loyal to the result. If you are not giving us a result, doesn't matter ukuthi thina besekufuna kanganani sekukhalela. So that's my worry with Upuso Tejane, ukuthi angafika eNaturena and then I hit the stumbling block bese kuba difficult for him ukuthi akwazi ukubuyela, because TS Galaxy doesn't match Kaizer Chiefs in terms of pressure and in terms of the expectations. Look at him bowling the way he's bowling, having a time of his life lapha ku TS Galaxy. It simply means ukuthi it allows him ukuthi abe lo muntu awuyo, the environment that he's in, it is conducive to him, yabo, because mawuthi uyabheka eNaturena, even abomfundo Vilakazi, abomduduzi Shabalala, one game they are good, next game it is difficult. So obviously want a player that I can say ukuthi has that consistency in him, and it will be difficult for him ukuthi angasilethela logo eNaturena. But despite the fact ukuthi angabhekana neingqinamba eNaturena, but if the opportunity comes his way, nakanjani vele he will don the gold and black jerseys. But if bekuya ngami mina, I wouldn't allow him ukuthi abuyele eNaturena, because yena vele it will be like he's going to rewrite his story ukuthi I was just a young kid that refused to be a ball boy and then got sent away, but I return as a man trying to make sure ukuthi I take my career to greater heights, of which it is a good thing. And makangabuye eNaturena, that will give him an opportunity ukuthi ayenzeni to redeem himself, but he mustn't go back just to prove a point ukuthi if you have given me a chance, this is what I could have been, this is what I could have done for the club, because it will work against him. But for the fact that now he's a good player, and for a good player, we know very well ukuthi they don't come cheap, and it is not easy ukuthi beze, because number one, Upuso Tejane, when you look at his capabilities and quality, you can say ukuthi is a Europe bound player, because abantu abaningi they are only focusing ukuthi i-Chiefs can have a competition kwi-Mamelodi Sundowns and Orlando Pirates in terms of ukuthi basayine uBusodwa Tejani, even if yena he can be willing ukuthi angaya eNaturena, but nakanjani, trust me, ama-teams wase-Europe bambhekile and they are monitoring him, because they see ukuthi if you can look towards his career and see ukuthi he's a kind of a player that he's maturing game by game, he's able to do things that you are not thinking of what he is capable, but he always unlocks something new in his way of playing, and that it is a good thing for him, because it shows ukuthi the way that he plays, it doesn't allow him ukuthi abe caged ukuthi no, I'm limited to this, but I can make sure ukuthi I don't limit myself, because Monty Ambuga, he scored beautiful goals, he assists, he's able to establish ama combinations, especially for a club like i-TS Galaxy. Angeke ahlale isikhathi eside, and it will be difficult for him to shine for isikhathi eside, because a team that is selling, it makes it difficult for many players, because every season there will be a player that is going to be sold and it is a key player. Bekakwazi ukudlalisana kahle noMahlangu bamhambisa, bekadlala kahle noSibelebele bamhambisa. Now he's doing good with uSeluleko Mahlambe. It's only a matter of time ukuthi bangamhambisa. But now let's focus on iKaizer Chiefs. Kuthi kuKaizer Chiefs, what can he offer and yini engambulala? KuKaizer Chiefs, he will offer you width, he can offer you a different dynamic in terms of an attack. Because of what? He has assist in him, he has a vision for a pass, has goals in him. He's able to track back, defend. He can offer you cover in defense. He can be able to be a utility player, be used in nanoma yipi position. He's going to put his 100%. That's what you need in a player. But good Chiefs, what is it? I'm affect. For the fact that for now the team is not stable, people will be expecting him to hit the ground running, and Magafika, it doesn't happen like that. And then they start talking with no, Tejana is not a Kaizer Chiefs material, because we know very well with how we are. We are quickly to criticize, we are quickly to judge, but we are not patient to allow players to be integrated, to find the rhythm, to make sure they adjust in the club, because players have different adjustment period. That's why at some point I'll rule out the fact that Agabuye Naturena. Let him find another club that is going to suit him, that is going to allow him to grow. Because in Naturena Mafia, the only thing okhula ngayo, it is the XP and how to maneuver under pressure. But football wise, it depends on you. When mentally, how strong are you in order for you to deal with the adversity of Pianana? Because players come and look at Abu Dupris, Mabafia La Piana, they struggle. Look at Abu Msimang. We had players like Abu Steve. You can see Guti Gwenzagalan. This is a petty. As long as team ingakabi stable, angeke kube lula for them ukuthi bakwazi ukwenza ama signings that will align with how the team plays, that would allow them ukuthi bakwazi perform on a daily basis. But for Tejani, the sky is the limit for him. But for me personally, I'd say ukuthi for him to return at Chiefs, ngaba nje ukuthi sekayabuyela because he loves the club. But in terms of him ukuthi usazoperform at the highest level, kuzoba difficult. But it will be a good addition to Kaizer Chiefs. But let's not focus on Ubusodwa Tejani. There's also another player from Golden Arrows. He goes by the name of who's Usiyanda Ndlovu, but to squish. Is another player I'd say Guti. Betting on his potential, it will be something that is going to benefit the club in the long run. Because one thing about Squish is the fact that he's one player that is a hard work. I love his work ethic, and I'd say ukuthi I would love to see him in a Turin because he's not hyped. Number one, he's moving silently, and that shows ukuthi if he's gonna be exposed to a club like Kaizer Chiefs while he's able to perform lapana with Golden Arrows, and it's not something ukuthi he's a fluke because he started last season, but it's just ukuthi yena his spotlight is not on his side. But Coach Manqoba Mngqithi can tell you ukuthi he's a good player, a good winger, and mawuthi uyabheka eNaturena i-right winger engasho ukuthi singathembela ukuthi onguMfundo Vilakazi because uLilepo sebamshiftile. But if you can add someone who's able to take on defenders for fun, who's able to score ama-goals, who can do a solo goal, umuntu one-balance on his foot, umuntu okwazi ukudecide makaseboxini ukuthi now it's an opportunity for me to cross, it's for an opportunity for me to do a cutback, it's an opportunity for me to score a goal. You can see ukuthi age is still on his side, and the way that his career keeps on growing gradually, it shows about the persistence and the perseverance that he has, because uqalisa kudlala ku-Golden Arrows was given just an opportunity, but he made sure ukuthi he grabs it with both hands. And look at him now. Umuntu uyakwazi ukuthi mawubukela u-Golden Arrows, you know ukuthi there's a player mele ngimfocus kulo lapho Siyanda Ndlovu, and there's also another one, uPhilane Khumalo, uPK. Those are good players, but one thing ukuthi Kaizer Chiefs into ezobabulala ukuthi they do have their specific kind of a player that must fit their profile. If they can have to choose between uDithejane and uNdlovu, surely they won't think twice, they will choose uDithejane over uNdlovu. Yabo, because uNdlovu is one player I can tell you ukuthi yabona imesh uyakwazi ukuwinela and he can decide games for you. But into ezoma endleleni yakho ukuthi akabhekwanga kangako, and the minute sebazoqala ukufocusa kuye uzobe sekahambe kudala bobe sebamthathile abanye, and then would be saying ukuthi no, ama teams awafuna ukuthengisela iChiefs ama players, of which sometimes I say ukuthi it is true, but kwesinye isikhathi no, maybe we do have we lack an eye to spot a talent. We don't know, because izinto ecishe zibe kanjalo. But between uDithejane and uNdlovu, uSiyanda Ndlovu weGolden Arrows, if you are given an opportunity to decide ukuthi between the two ngakhetha bani, bongakhetha bani, share lapha ke i-comment laphana kwi-comment section. And then let's talk about Roshan Dudley. Paul Mitchell, the agent of Roshan Dudley, did confirm that by January, Roshan Dudley is going to make his return to Kaizer Chiefs, because he could have returned earlier, but it couldn't happen because no Guba, net discomfort. And this is something when a player is injured, don't force him to play because ngoba umthembile, because when esayidini lakho uyasizakala but yena uyamoshakalela, because ngabe ubuye kudala, ngabe mhlambe manje usemathubeni ukuthi abe on that squad eyodlala kuphi ku-AFCON, but uvele wayenza aba worse injury yakhe. So hopefully ukuthi njengoba asho Mitchell ukuthi by January, even though he wasn't exact or specific ukuthi nini January, can happen abuye early, can happen ukuthi abuye late, but I think they are preparing him for FIFA World Cup, because vele seyimdlulile i-AFCON. But I know for a fact ukuthi Royce mayibuya kusazoba mnandi laphana in that center back pairing. The competition between him and uMcCarthy asithatha ivika lambuso libuyele ngale, because kulamalanga ngazi ukuthi confidence yakhe seyikuphi, but I'm just nje optimistic ukuthi uzobuya and uzosishaya ispan. So into ethi ayibe kanjalo ke, I don't know ukuthi how do you feel about ngale ndaba lezi, because these are good news ukuthi iyabuya iRoyce. So hopefully ukuthi na ukubuya kwakhe it will help the team, because defensive you can be shaky, but sisayibambile because ama clean sheet alokangenile, we concede less goals, kuba difficult, because the last time we conceded more than 2 goals it was against the Al Masry, not the Al Masry, against Isikhukhune United. But after lapho nje ama mistakes wethu, so hopefully we need that someone that is going to marshal the defense And i-Rolls Royce ingichaza into eyi-one, is not only a ball playing centre back, he's strong, he's very fit, really he's good. That's why bamkhalela kangaka ukuthi akabuye, because masidlala namanye ama-teams it becomes difficult because you know ukuthi uMcCarthy can be bullied, but yena he has his timing that works on his favor ukuthi akwazi ukudila namanye ama-situations. But other than that, I don't see us coming bad in next season, not unless because we know ukuthi kunale disease lesibulalayo man, this syndrome or ngasho ukuthi i-epidemic. Once kwaba ne-international break sibuya sesiyinye into, but hopefully ukuthi abajida they will see that and then they'll work on it ukuthi no sayilungisa lento le cause ihlezi isibulala. The moment that we are trying to pick up form sibe ne-momentum siba derailed, but akukho ke engisengakusho kunye njengoba kushiwo ukuthi indaba ipheli till we meet again. No matter what, ungakhohlwa ukuthi ikhosi aliphile moya.